This is how you get paper in Minecraft. Now, making paper is super easy because the only ingredient you need is sugarcane, which you can usually find around water, something like this. And you can harvest it very easily, even just using your hands like this. However, I would recommend that you would plant some back so it can then regrow and get even more. And you can do it pretty easily by planting it on some sand next to a block of water. Once you do have at least 3 sugarcane, place it down in a vertical row in a crafting table like this, and you get 3 paper. So that basically means that the ratio of the sugarcane going in and the paper going out is literally 1:1. However, there's also other ways of getting paper as well. You can find it in chests, in shipwrecks, strongholds, and villages as well. Though the amounts you'll get there aren't that great, and seeing how much paper you need for literally everything, it's definitely a good resource to mass produce a lot of. So you can get a very simple sugarcane farm going just to collect it. Simply place a piston 1 block up and away from a block of sugarcane like this, then place an observer above that, pointing in a direction that the sugarcane will grow. Then using some quick redstone you can connect the two together, and then when the sugarcane grows, it triggers the observer and it gets collected by the piston. You can then automate it using a hopper to collect it, and you can scale it to however many modules you want. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about making paper in Minecraft.